Wood wall designs have transformed from simple paneling to sophisticated, artistic and highly profitable interior decor elements. Whether in luxury homes, commercial spaces, or high-end offices, contemporary wooden walls bring a balance of natural warmth, sleek aesthetics, and innovative craftsmanship. They are not only stylish but also a profitable venture for artisans, interior designers, and home renovation businesses. The demand for modern wooden wall designs continues to grow as homeowners and businesses seek high-end, sustainable, and visually appealing decor solutions. With contemporary styles emphasizing clean lines, geometric patterns, mixed textures, and eco-friendly materials, wooden walls have become a major trend in interior design. The combination of profitability and artistic expression makes this niche incredibly appealing for creators and designers. The rise of modern wooden wall designs in contemporary spaces. Modern wood wall designs are no longer just about functionality, they are about creating an experience. From sleek slatted wood panels that exude elegance to abstract geometric patterns that transform walls into stunning works of art, contemporary wooden walls offer a perfect fusion of minimalism and sophistication. One of the key reasons wooden wall designs are so profitable is their versatility. They are used in a variety of spaces including luxury homes and apartments. Wood walls add a high-end feel to living rooms, bedrooms, and home offices. Commercial interiors, offices, hotels, and restaurants incorporate wooden walls to elevate ambience and create a warm, inviting atmosphere. Retail and showrooms, high-end boutiques and showrooms use wooden textures to enhance product displays and create a luxurious shopping experience. Cafes and restaurants, modern wooden walls complement industrial, Scandinavian, and minimalist designs, making them a popular choice for hospitality spaces. The ability to customize wooden walls with various textures, stains, and patterns makes them a valuable interior design element. They work exceptionally well with LED lighting, metal accents, and glass elements, creating dynamic interiors that are both modern and timeless. Stylish contemporary wood wall trends that sell. The profitability of modern wooden wall designs lies in creativity and craftsmanship. The more unique and innovative the design, the more desirable and high value it becomes. Here are some of the top contemporary wood wall trends that dominate today's interior market. 1. Slatted wood panel walls. Sleek, evenly spaced wooden slats create a minimalist yet luxurious effect. These panels are popular in modern apartments, office spaces, and hotels, adding depth and elegance to walls. The warm tones of natural wood contrast beautifully with neutral walls, metallic fixtures, and soft lighting, making them a bestseller in high-end interior projects. Slatted wood walls also enhance acoustic performance, reducing noise and making them ideal for conference rooms, home theaters, and music studios. Many designers are now incorporating LED backlighting between the slats, creating a soft, ambient glow that elevates the overall aesthetic. 2. Geometric wood wall art. Contemporary interior design embraces bold geometry, and wooden walls are no exception. From chevron and herringbone patterns to intricate layered 3D designs, these wooden walls transform spaces into visually captivating interiors. Geometric wooden walls are ideal for feature walls in living rooms, corporate offices, and upscale restaurants, making them a profitable niche in custom home decor. The combination of natural wood grains, contrasting stains, and metallic inlays adds a sense of sophistication. Many high-end clients are willing to pay a premium for handcrafted wooden walls that are unique and artistic. 3. Reclaimed wood accent walls. Sustainability is a major trend in modern interior design. Reclaimed wood walls not only reduce environmental impact but also add a sense of character and authenticity to a space. The appeal of aged wood, with its weathered textures and rich patina, makes it a sought-after choice for eco-conscious homeowners, boutique hotels, and restaurants. Reclaimed wood walls work well in rustic modern, farmhouse, and industrial-style interiors, offering a blend of vintage charm and contemporary elegance. Businesses that specialize in sourcing and repurposing reclaimed wood find this market highly lucrative. 4. Wooden wall panels with metal and resin accents. The fusion of wood with metal or resin creates striking contemporary wall designs. Combining sleek black metal lines with rich wooden tones results in industrial chic aesthetics, perfect for loft apartments and modern office spaces. Wooden panels infused with epoxy resin, whether in ocean blues, deep blacks, or vibrant metallics, bring an artistic, one-of-a-kind feel to interior spaces. These designs are particularly popular in luxury homes and creative workspaces, making them a profitable area for artisans and designers. 5. Floating wooden shelves integrated into wall designs. Modern wooden wall designs often incorporate functional elements, such as built-in floating shelves. These shelves blend seamlessly into slatted wood walls, geometric panels, or organic designs, creating a harmonious mix of decor and practicality. Floating wooden shelves allow homeowners to showcase art pieces, books, plants, or decorative items while maintaining a clean, sophisticated look. This integration of aesthetics and function makes it a valuable and marketable interior trend. The profitability of modern wooden wall designs. The demand for high-end wooden wall designs is increasing, and with it, the opportunity to build a profitable business. Here's why this niche is thriving. Customization and uniqueness. Clients are willing to invest in one-of-a-kind wooden walls that reflect their personal style. Bespoke craftsmanship increases value. Sustainability and eco-friendly appeal. As sustainability becomes a priority, eco-conscious wooden wall designs attract a growing market. Luxury and high-end market. Modern wooden wall designs cater to premium clients, architects, and interior designers, making them a high-ticket item. Versatility across spaces. Wooden walls enhance residential, commercial, and corporate interiors, broadening their market appeal. A stylish investment in modern interiors. The beauty of contemporary wooden walls. Wooden walls are no longer just a rustic element. They've evolved into a symbol of modern luxury, sophistication, and sustainability. From sleek slatted panels to bold geometric patterns, and even resin-infused wood designs, these walls bring an unmatched level of depth and warmth to any space. Why modern wooden walls are so popular? There's a reason why wooden walls are making a strong comeback in interior design. They offer a perfect balance between natural beauty and contemporary aesthetics. Here's what makes them so appealing. Timeless elegance. Whether in a minimalist loft or a cozy home, wooden walls instantly add a touch of sophistication and warmth. Sustainability and eco-friendliness. Many modern designs use reclaimed wood or sustainably sourced materials, making them an eco-conscious choice. Versatile design options. From slatted panels that create a sense of movement to bold, geometric wood art that becomes a statement piece, the possibilities are endless. Enhanced acoustics. Wood naturally absorbs sound, making it a great option for reducing echo in modern, open-concept spaces. Whether you prefer the warm tones of walnut, the light elegance of oak, or a deep, moody ebony finish, wooden walls can adapt to any aesthetic, from industrial to Scandinavian to ultra-modern. How wooden walls transform interiors. A well-designed wooden wall does more than just look good. It elevates the entire atmosphere of a room. Here's how. In living spaces, a feature wall in the living room or dining area becomes an instant focal point, adding texture and richness. In bedrooms, wooden walls behind the bed create a cozy, inviting atmosphere that enhances relaxation. In offices and commercial spaces, modern businesses use wood paneling to add warmth and professionalism to workspaces. In kitchens and bathrooms, waterproof sealed wooden walls add a natural yet refined touch to contemporary kitchen and bath designs. A profitable and lasting investment. Beyond aesthetics, modern wooden walls are a smart investment. For homeowners, they increase property value by making interiors feel more high-end and luxurious. For artisans and designers, they offer a profitable niche. Custom wooden walls are highly sought after and can command premium prices. If you're considering a home renovation or exploring high-end woodworking as a business, stylish wooden walls provide an exciting opportunity. They offer a blend of craftsmanship, creativity, and sustainability, ensuring that each design stands out in the market. Final thoughts: elevate your space with modern wooden walls. Contemporary wooden walls are more than just a trend. They're a statement of luxury, style, and sustainability. Whether through bold geometric art, reclaimed wood installations, or sleek modern panels, these walls bring a sense of depth, warmth, and exclusivity to any interior. By incorporating wooden walls into your design, you're making an investment in timeless elegance, one that enhances both the beauty and value of your space. Whether for your home, business, or creative venture, modern wooden walls offer endless inspiration and lasting impact. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more cutting-edge interior design inspirations.